y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings here on our channel. We do lifestyle, home decor, beauty, candles, pets, snacks, we do it all. Jewelry. So if you love subscription box unboxings, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love if you would join our YouTube family. And guys, as always, if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help me out. Don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways right now. We have our holiday subscriber appreciation giveaway and our thrifted bag holiday giveaway. They will both be linked down below. But today's video, I'm so excited. As you could see, this big box. We have the winter 2019 Decocrated box. Oh my gosh, I love Decocrated. I love it so much. So, if you are not familiar, I am going to go over Decocrated just a little bit with you and then we'll get into this big boy. So, it is a quarterly home decor subscription. It does have free shipping. I will put a link down below as well as a promo code to save you a little bit off your first box if you are interested. So that will be linked down below. But make your home feel comfy, on trend, and perfectly for you. It is all high quality decor. And like I said, this is a quarterly box. It is $79.99 a quarter. You can save 10% if you go ahead and pay annually at $287.99. You can follow them at Decocrated on Instagram. But like I said, the website as well as that promo code will be down below. So definitely check it out. So let's get in here and see what we got for winter 2019. Ah! It says, oh wow, exciting. Open it, open it. I'm trying. So I have some information here that will go over the products. And then it says, let's Decocrate. And there's boxes. So let's open our envelope first. All right, so here, this I think is so cute. This, I have a little, it came in a prior box. It's a little like clip picture frame, and they send these little things every season. So like it'll like the fall box, one side said spooky, and then the other side I believe said thankful or blessed or something like that. So it kind of, you flip it around and it works. But this says winter essentials, and it has all different like scarves and all of that. And then on the other side, it says cold nights, good books, hot chocolate, soft socks, cozy sweaters, and winter memories. So you can flip it around for whichever you prefer. And then we have our winter 2019 booklet. All right. And it goes over everything that's in the box. It shows you different ways to use it. I'm not gonna get too much into showing you anything right now because I don't wanna give anything away. So let's go ahead and just start opening boxes. So this is our first item. Oh, and this is the pillowcase. All right, so they do always include a pillowcase, or generally include a pillowcase. And the pillowcase, look at that, so cute. It's got different sweaters, and it says, get cozy with it, fa la 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 la. That is cute. And then the other side is just red, so you could reverse it either way. Adorable. And this is, I believe, 18 by 18. Let's see. Oh, well, okay. So it is 18 by 18, but you can also use it. It will fit up to 20 by 20. So that's good to know. So there's our pillowcase. We have another box that I can already tell is super adorable. And this is a little piece of decor. It's like a wooden picture. One side has the little toboggan and it says warm and cozy. And it's then this side says, there may be no thing greater than a life well loved. I love that. And that's something you could leave out all year. I love that. Oh, I know where I'm putting this already. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. And then we have another box. Boxes and boxes and boxes, oh my. And in here, oh, well, it's metal. We have, oh, this is cute. This is like a little old-fashioned like mail holder. Oh, that's so cute. Let me see what it says about this, because I'm sure there's probably so many ways you could use this. Let's see. Because it'll give you like different tips and things like that. The metal envelope says, organize your mail, to-do list, or a beautiful floral arrangement for a pop of color on your walls. Sprinkle in some magic and this silver beauty can send letters all the way to the North Pole. So that is super cute. So yeah, it gives you different, you know, you can make a flower arrangement. You could use it to put your mail in or different things. So that is adorable. I love that. All right, so we're gonna move along. What you guys don't know is I just actually stopped filming and went ahead and took everything else out of the boxes because you guys, there were so many boxes. They literally packed it. So our next item, totally appropriate for a winter box, and the color could not be more appropriate for my home, my living room decor, but we got this gorgeous woven throw. So it says, while the weather outside is frightful, we know inside with this blanket it will be oh so delightful. And it will. This is 50 by 60, so it is your average size throw. You guys, it is so soft. I cannot wait. This is going right into my living room. It is absolutely gorgeous. Love it. All right. So then we have, and I thought when I opened these, I was like, oh my gosh, so beautiful. There were some ceramic trees. So you have three little different sizes and they're all like a little different color. How gorgeous are these? Like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to set these out. These are so, so beautiful. One thing I absolutely love about Decocrated is they do go with seasons, but they also like the throw or the envelope metal sign. They give you things that you can also use year round. I have products from the summer box, from the fall box that are still out in my house and have been incorporated into my everyday decor. So don't think that this is just a box that's going to send you stuff you can only use that season. Like I said, am using stuff from the summer box, from the fall box, incorporated into my everyday home decor like this throw will be. It will be out year round. So just keep that in mind. That's just something I want to put out there because a lot of people think, oh, well, it's a seasonal, you know, it's a seasonal decor box, so it's going to have just holiday decorations for different times of the year. It does, but it also, because stuff is double-sided or things like that, and they incorporate other products that work so well with the things in the box, but they also work so well with items from past boxes. That is one thing I really like. But anyway, so the trees, I can't wait to find a place to put these. I think these are gorgeous. This is, you know, these are something that had I seen these out somewhere shopping, I would have picked something like this up. I absolutely love it. So there are those guys. And then we have wooden tags. Now, let's see. Okay, so it is doing it. I was looking and I'm like, these are so cute. Like, you could use these as gift tags if you wanted to, or like here's one that says joy, and then there's one that says peace, and then there's one with a snowflake and one with a gift. So you could use these as gift tags, or you could put one on a tree. You could use it as an ornament. So I just love that. So it says whether you turn them into ornaments or attach them to special gifts, these tags will add that extra touch of holiday goodness. So I think these are super cute. I definitely think the ones that say joy and peace will be on my tree. The other two I may put on gifts because it is just a special little extra touch. So I just really like these. I think these are gorgeous, and again, something totally just right up my alley. I love them so much. And then we have one final product, and I absolutely think this is stunning, and I am just at a loss for words because it is so beautiful, and something, again, that if I was out and saw it, I would totally purchase this. And it is they're calling it a holiday tray. It says hot chocolate bar approved. Serving up some festive function in cute rectangular fashion. This tray holds all the essentials for a night in, from hot chocolate to displaying a holiday tabletop collection. There's nothing this tray can't do, and it does it with style. So, they're so right, because this tray is gorgeous. So you can see it's a good size as far as deep, so it's gonna hold stuff. And it's got these sturdy metal handles, and then this is just, you guys, this is just stunning. And again, this isn't necessarily, they call it the holiday tray. This doesn't have to be holiday. This is something you can use year round. So I love it. So we got this, we got the trees, we got the throw, we got the wooden tags, we got the pillow cover, we got the letter holder, we got the tabletop little wooden sign that's double-sided. We got the little picture that can go on the frame from a past box. You guys, I mean, there was just so much in this box. I love this box so, so much. And like I said, this is something that this is a great box if you are looking to decorate your home, but you maybe don't really feel that confident in picking out items. They'll do it for you and it will look beautiful. So let me know your thoughts down below. I can't wait to hear what you have to say, what you think of the trees, the pillowcase, what was your favorite item. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a wonderful day. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.